Well, here at Miami Central, we've got to get a little defensive perspective. Your team's been locking it down. We're here with Calvin Bruton. And let's just start with this, though. You have a chance to do something I don't think in Dade County someone's done maybe ever, which would be go to states for the 5th time, but you got to get through Daytona Mainland first. How sweet would that be if you guys pull it off?
Man, that's just part of history. We just continue, the tradition at Miami Central, and the tradition every year is to go to state and national.
So let me ask you something: is it pressure or do you embrace it?
Defense, I think we embrace it because we got to put pressure on the opposing team.
But what about just like you said, the tradition of the school and everything it's accomplished as players? Do you guys embrace the winning tradition here? Or do you ever feel like, man, we don't want to mess it up?
No, we don't want to mess it up. That's why like we went up the road to play teams like Alabama Hoover in the beginning of the season to prepare for big moments like this up on the road against opposing. It's gonna be a packed game. Everybody expecting to watch it.
It hasn't been an easy road, right, for you guys this year? You've been on national TV out of state. You had to be on the road pretty much the entire playoffs. So I imagine if you get this done, you guys would take a lot of pride in that.
Yeah, we've been playing. We played this team last year. We know they're gonna bring their A game, so they know we're gonna bring our A game against them. It should be a good one.
What is the A game for the Miami Central defense?
What we've been doing all year, a team haven't put like over 28 points. So the highest probably was like 21 points, and that probably like one game. We just look for the shutout every week.
Who's somebody on your defense that's really been playing well in the playoffs?
Man, I have to go with majority of the front 7. Everybody been playing the A game, but Kevon Davis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of player is Syracuse getting?
They getting a good player.
Now, when Anthony Jones goes in the Wildcat, what kind of problems does that present for the other team?
Baby Dalvin Cook.
That's it?
Yeah, he's like a Dalvin Cook.
Well, it's been a pretty good year for you too, on the brink of doing something special by going to Orlando again. But let's talk about just you, Florida State, U.S. Army All-American game. I know you just got your jersey for the U.S. Army game a couple of weeks ago. What was that like?
Man, it was an honor. It was a dream come true to just win state, be a U.S. Army All-American. It's like my senior year was a success. We got to go for another state championship.
By the way, if I assume Florida State is where you're going to end up, if they keep winning and you keep winning, you might forget what it's like to lose.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's good to go to a program, to just keep winning, coming from high school and then go off to a college program that's winning also. That means a lot to me.
What do you think about the rankings in the football playoff? They dropped them to 4. How do you feel about that?
It just shows that we got a point to prove to everybody.
All right. Well, Calvin Bruton, Rocket, future Noel, maybe another future state champ, man. Best of luck and thanks for the time.
No problem.